Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not working on a Mac. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the Roblox servers are up and running. So go into your browser and search up status.roblox.com. As you can see, it says here in green, all systems operational. This means that there's no issue with the Roblox servers and it's something to do with your app. So if we go off here, so now you need to go into your Finder, go to Applications and look for Roblox. Click with two fingers to bring up the options and move to bin. Now you want to empty your bin. And now you want to go to roblox.com and you want to press a game. Press this green button here and now press download and install Roblox. It's going to download in the top right corner. Double tap on the installer, double tap again, press open, and Roblox will start downloading. Now that Roblox is downloaded, you can open a game, press play, and it should load. Thank you for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.